Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to randomize a list in Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see, we have the list of 50 US states here and they are sorted in an alphabetical order. But what if you want to have a random list of US states? In that case, we have a specific feature for this in Google Sheets. So all we have to do is select the cells you want to randomize. So in this case, let's select the list of 50 US states, then right click on the selected cells, go to the view more selections option and you will see randomize range, and if you click on that, as you can see, the list of US states have been randomized. They are now not in alphabetical order, and that's about it. So we have successfully randomized this range. So now this is how to randomize a list in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.